Hello everyone and welcome back to Solving Factory. Today let me show you how to add Fortnite to Steam as a non-Steam game on your PC or laptop. Let's begin by opening our Steam on your PC or laptop. Then navigate to the bottom left and select Add a Game. In the menu, choose Add a non-Steam game. Unfortunately, Fortnite won't be in the list, so we'll need to browse for it. Open the File Explorer and select this PC. Fortnite is likely installed on your Windows C drive, so open that. Next, navigate to the program files, then Epic Games, Fortnite, and then Fortnite Game, Binaries, Win64, and finally, select Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping. Click Open to add Fortnite to Steam. Now in your library, you'll see Fortnite listed. If you want to rename it, right-click and select Properties. Change the name, configure the controller if needed, and close. When you select Fortnite and hit play, it will open on your computer. That's how you add Fortnite to Steam. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.